This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We bring you regularly short business episodes, short private equity episodes, interviews with brilliant leaders in private equity and business, and then what we call body of life episode. Today's discussion is going to be CBIZ, Humana, Pinterest. So here's the deal. Today is a day, at least Wednesday was, where the market surged on Chairman Powell basically saying, we're ready to move forward with some rate cuts. And that was very welcome by the markets, by the private equity industry, by lenders, by almost everybody, unless the only thing you like in life is treasury bonds that yield 5%, then you're not as excited about it. But three stocks that took it on the chin, notwithstanding the broader market moving in the right direction, were CBIZ down 90% as I write this, Pinterest down 14%, and Humana down 10%. CBIZ has got its own story, essentially in a spot where it both announced earnings it missed earnings and revenue targets. It also, is in a spot where, in addition to that, it announced a big acquisition to be done with its stock of Markham for $2.3 billion, and that also, causes lots of trouble for CBIZ. On Pinterest and Humana also announced, their earnings today, but warned of higher hospital admissions costs and higher challenges and higher medical loss ratios. Pinterest has been up and down a lot. I'm not a big Pinterest user. I assume some people are, but again, it got crushed today based on a disappointing Q3 earnings forecast. So again, today's discussion, CBIZ, Humana, Pinterest, all taken on the chin today. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. And thank you to our remarkable producer, Grace Lynn Keller, also co-author with me of a book called The Entrepreneur's Edge. If you want a free copy of an advanced copy of that book, text Scott Becker, 773-766-5322. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.